Hey, I'm Justin from Cognito here. Behind me is my torn down Polaris Razor Turbo S. We're prepping it because we just pre-ran the Baja 500 and we were pretty rough on it. But this is what we do. There's a product we have that may help you if you have an XP 1000 or XP Turbo. I want to show that to you here. We don't really have this problem on a Turbo S, and let me flip this around, I'll show you why. Okay, I'm at the rear of the car here. Okay, there's the rear sway bar. So if you have an XP 1000 or an XP Turbo, you may have seen or may not yet have seen this bracket, this frame bracket, rip off of the frame or start cracking. This is the rear sway bar. This is our billet sway bar clamp we make here at Cognito. On XP Turbo S, which is what this car is, this bracket and this tube are beefier than XP 1000 and XP Turbo. Now, we make a product to help prevent from ripping this bracket off the frame on your XP 1000 and XP Turbo. If you rip it off, it will make a bigger mess. It will need a bigger repair. We have a kit for that as well, but it is definitely more involved. If you can prevent this from happening by adding a gusset kit that we have, it will save you a lot of time in the long run. To install these brackets, welding is required. It is helpful if you take the rear firewall, this is the back of the rear firewall. You take the seats out and remove the rear firewall, you can gain access to the back side of this bracket here. But this bracket is open-ended, okay? It's just like a channel welded on to that tube. The kit that we make that gussets that, it's going to box in the back of this. It's going to box that in and tie it to the frame and make it a lot stronger. You won't have any problems. I'm going to flip this back around and show you the product. Okay, this is a very simple product. So if you have not had the problem yet, or your 1000 or Turbo is still new, this is what you need right here. There's the part number. You can find it right on our website. You will need to weld to add these on, but these are going to box in the back of your frame. If welding is required, but this will prevent some trouble and some damage. Now, the problem happens more on a 4-seat car than a 2-seat car because a 4-seat car is heavier. But if you have already ripped the stock mounts off the frame, we do have another kit and includes 2 new main mounts. They're a little thicker than the stock ones, and 2 gussets for those mounts. This will allow you to get a repair done. It's a more involved repair, but the parts are all there to help make it easy for you. It would help if you got a fabricator to cut the old brackets out, or maybe you're a fabricator yourself. Cut the old brackets out, weld the new ones in, gusset them with these. You can see the curve in the brackets, one for the left side, one for the right side. They fit up nicely to the frame. This is how you're going to get fixed. So like I said, this happens more on 4-seat cars because they're heavier cars, and if you're an aggressive driver, you're going to have some more body roll on a heavier car. So we see this happen more on 4-seat cars. Do yourself a favor, get this fixed before it happens. If it's already happened, you can get the second kit there. Showed you the part number. Search for those on our website. Shipping's free. Like I said, the Turbo S does not have this problem. So we did not have to box in those mounts on my Turbo S because the frame is beefier and those mounts are beefier on Turbo S. Turbo S is just a bigger, beefier car, heavier car. XP 1000, XP Turbo, get this on your car. It's cheap, it's simple. Check it out on our website, easy to find, shipping's free. Thanks a lot.